Hello Internet, my name is Fahim and today we're going to see how we can create a file explorer using the JavaFx. Okay, so this is the file explorer that I've made. It shows you the current directory, which is the F, and inside documents it can show a tree-like hierarchy view or tree view, and you can scroll up down and it can show the contents inside these documents. Okay, all the folders and files, and if you double click on it, it opens up that file. So I had double clicked on a Word file, Lebanese chicken recipe, and also if you click the view, then it changes from table to tiles view. Okay, and if you double click on a folder here, uh, it goes inside that folder. So I had entered level 2 L2T1, that's why I'm seeing this. Okay, and you can change back to here again. So this is the thing that we're gonna make. Okay, so I'm going to close it and close this one again. So that was a quick introduction. Now let's make the project. Open up your IDE, create a new project. Select the JavaFX, click next, give it a project name. Okay, finish. Let's just load it. And okay, this is going to be a huge project, so I'm simply going to copy and paste a lot of things. Okay, or else it's going to be no, it's gonna take quite a lot of time if I write every goddamn single piece of line by myself and show it to you. Besides, no one is going to see that, so that's why I'm just going to show you the basic steps. Okay, now I'm just renaming everything the way I like it. Fractal rename. Okay, so that's it. Oh, let me just show you what I've done. So this is the main thing. Okay, we've got all these classes, these scenes, fxml files, and some images. Okay, so okay, let's just get back here. What I need is a Java classes, file explorer. Oh, sorry. And new Java class. This one will be an interface. Okay, file explorer interface. Okay, so let's start from here. An interface is a special type of Java class which only contains the declaration of various methods. Okay, so in here, file explorer, that's the interface. See that I've got all the methods over here. Okay, someone never used actually. I thought that I might use them. So anyway, I'm just going to copy and paste all of them. Control C and Control V and import all the important stuffs that you need to import. Okay, now what I need is a Java class named file info in order to remove this red warning, red error. So new Java class. Okay, let's just go back to the file explorer. So this is the file info class. Remember the table view. In order to create a table, what we need is a image, its name, the size, and date. Okay, and these are some, this is the standard procedure of writing any table. So that's why it's like this. So we're not gonna emphasize on the details of a table view. I'm just copying everything here as well. So this is the constructor. Oh, this one is just we don't need this one. Okay, yeah, we don't need this one, we just need this. That was a previous version which did not support the icons. Okay, so now that we are here, let's just file explorer. Okay, and alt enter. Implement methods. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. And so let's go back to the file explorer FX. Okay, these are some static values. See that this is the file directory here. If I say go inside the documents, then the file directory changes and it becomes this PC next documents. So this is what the current directory file does. Okay, it keeps the file directory in the format of file, and for some other reasons we need to convert it into a string, and that's why the second variable is here. Then there is a label. Okay, say just in this case this is the label where it is showing the current directory. Okay, and current directory name, see this, just the document, this document word is the current directory name in my file explorer, and I'll come back to these two later. Okay, so I'll just copy all of them and paste these words in here. Okay. Oh, and the reason things are static because I need only one and only one instance of this current directory file. Otherwise, if it becomes 2 or 3 or many instances, you won't be able to work properly with this file directory. That's why we need to make them static, so that there is, no matter how many objects you create later, it will always, all of them will share this only one file, current directory file. Okay, so next this is the code for fetching the file icons. Okay, say this is the folder icon, this is a CPP icon, this is PPTX icon over here. I want to fetch all of them inside my project. So that's why I need this code segment. Control C, Control V. Okay, so what it does is calls the Java Swing methods, which creates the image icon. Next, it converts it into a Java Swing image. After that, we have to convert it into a buffered image, and finally we convert it into the JavaFx image. Okay, so what it does is Java Swing to JavaFx image. Okay, once it is okay, so that's the first one. Then okay, I should be declaring it abstract, okay, because we won't be implementing all of them right here. Class abstract. Okay, right. This is just an empty constructor. Okay. Okay, so set label text. Here it is. Then calculate size. Okay, so here you can see this is the details view, and here we can see the size. Okay, so this method does the same thing. Okay, I'll just copy and paste it first, then I'll explain what happens inside here. Calculate size. Okay, so first one, this is this segment. Okay, say this is the view for the C drive, E drive, F drive, G drive. We're seeing this 37 gigabyte free space, 99 gigabyte total space. So what this shows is that 99 gigabyte, okay, get total space. You might be wondering why we can't. Okay, and so this one is specifically for these folders. Okay, these are the root directories, and for these we need that code segment. And for anything else, say inside this F drive, I've got all these folders. Say I'm going inside codes. For all of them, we need the second part. Okay, which is this path try, this one. Okay, I know what you're thinking is something like why we can't use this code segment inside here. The answer is okay, it's actually Bangla written using the reason is you'll see that all folders in F drive have same size, which is in this case 199. Okay, 199 gigabyte. Okay, so if you use this code segment instead of this one, you're gonna see that all of the subfolders have same size, which is 199 in this case, or the C drive. That is why we need to use these code segments. So what it does is gets the size in byte. Okay, so now that we have the size in byte, we can convert it into kilobyte. If it's greater than 1024 and less than 1024 square, convert it into kilobyte and convert it into string. Okay, and else this is for megabyte, and finally for the gigabyte. I don't think, and if you have a very large storage of terabyte scale, you can add it as well. So next is ease drive. Okay, this is the method which is going to tell us whether the current directory is a system root or is any other subfolder. Okay, next is drive, and finally find hidden counts. Okay, I'm just going to copy it and find hidden counts. Okay, you see the file explorer here. All of the folders are visible to us. Okay, but we don't see any kind of hidden folders over here. If I click here, we see all these stubs, but there are also the hidden folders and subfolders and hidden files. We don't want them to show up over here. If you try to show them, believe me, your program is going to hang a lot, and it's going to take a lot of time. You'll face quite a lot of trouble implementing it. So that's why we need to know exactly how many hidden files we have, if it's hidden or this file. And also we need to count the number of files. Okay, see that here we don't have any kind of say documents, documents level 2 term 1 dpt. Okay, see here we've only got the folders, not the files. That's why we need to exclude all the files as well. That's why this one. Okay, and we'll see what it does later on. So that's it then, I guess. Okay, and I'm just going to um, remove the unnecessary things that are showing up over here. Tree item, okay, remove this one as well. Oh, hold on. Oh, I thought I removed some important. Oh, okay, and this one as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good enough. Let's move on. So next we need to implement these three classes. Okay, class tree view, class tiles view, and class table view. Let's go to the class tree view. So new Java class, class tree view, and extends file explorerfx. Okay, alt enter, implement methods, and this implements all the methods that we had declared before previously. Half of them we won't be even needing. Okay, so that's the class tree view. First comes the constructor. Control C. Oh. Control V. Okay, then return tree item or create tree. It creates a tree and returns it back. Okay, so create tree, Control C, create tree. Okay, now let's see what's inside here. What it does is something like it recursively calls itself and creates generates this tree view. Okay, so currently it's in the this PC directory. Okay, first it's now okay, that's just a reference which will be returned later. Fill equals to list files. So what it does is something like this. Say under the C, if the file is C drive, then we'll get the list of all these plus the hidden folders, and we want to get rid of all the hidden ones. That's why the length has been taken. A file hidden count has been subtracted from it. Okay, and now we have initialized a to this n numbered. Okay, so that's why we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this case n will be 10, okay, for the C drive. And so we'll get 10 tree items. Okay, then this is a simple for loop. This is the okay, honestly, when I was coding, I was facing quite a lot of errors again and again, and this is the final version which works the best. Okay, that's why it's like this. And okay, so what it says is something like this: if it is not a file, it is not hidden, it is a directory, and under which there is no other subfolders. Okay, then we shall only create a new image. Okay, wait, um, wait, just give me a moment. Okay, so here in this folder there are no other subfolder. There are many files, but they are not subfolders. Okay, that's why if we come here, see that these two do not have this arrow sign. Okay, but this one has, because inside we'll see another subfolder. So this is what the first line does: it removes the arrow. Else, if the n is greater than 0, which means there are subfolders inside that folder, what we will be doing is something like this. We first create a new tree item, give it a name, and give it an image. And for the image, I've simply imported a package that I have saved, this one, and inside which there are some pictures. Okay, say this one is a picture folder, this one is a picture folder open, this is a picture. These are very small sized. Okay, that's why it's so hazy. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it inside here. Okay, that's great. Okay, and then what it does is tries to add the newly created tree item into its upper tree item. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so this is the this class. Okay, where was I? Class preview. Next is find absolute path. Find absolute path. Okay, whenever the directory changes, we're gonna need to find out what is the current directory and its absolute directory. Okay, so this is the method which does it. Okay, after that, create tree view. Create tree view. Okay, what it does, it simply adds the tree view into our main app. Okay, with this one. Without this method, we won't be able to add the tree to our app. Okay, and for the rest of the methods, uh, you know we don't need them, we don't need to implement them. So that's with the tree view. Okay, uh, and for the next part, I think I'm going to make another video which will contain the following parts. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.